Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync Wii Remote step by step. Press and hold the red sync button inside the battery compartment, then press the sync button on the Wii console to start pairing. Keep the console open and watch the LED lights on the remote blink. Repeat for additional remotes and assign their LEDs in order. Troubleshoot by replacing batteries or restarting the console if pairing fails. Begin by opening the front flap of the Wii console and pressing the sync button until its light flashes. Next, press the small sync button inside the remote battery compartment one time and release. The remote LEDs will blink as they search for the console and then settle on a number when paired. If the LED does not stop blinking, try fresh batteries or move closer to the console before attempting again. If pairing fails, swap in fresh batteries and retry the sync sequence to eliminate power issues. Move wireless routers and phones away from the console to reduce interference and keep the remote within a few feet while pairing. Pair each remote individually to ensure the console recognizes each device and to assign LEDs properly. A console reboot can clear temporary errors and often resolve stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.